AC high pressure switch helps protect your system from damage. Your AC high pressure switch is crucial for safety. It monitors refrigerant pressure. The switch shuts off the system if the pressure is too high to protect major components. Helps prevent damage from excessive pressure, especially during hot weather. Common causes of high pressure issues include dirty condenser coil, restricted airflow, and more. Keep your AC maintained to ensure proper functioning of the high pressure switch. If the pressure switch is faulty, the AC may stop cooling or shut off completely. Ensure your AC system is reliable and safe with proper maintenance.